Turn the page, live your life every day. Don't let anybody stand in your way.
And what have we here? Okay, Spam. I've done some Spam recipes, but this one's gonna be killer because it's got Colby Jack cheese. It's got 2 slices of sourdough bread. It's got some mousstar and some mayo and some butter. Mike Foster here, how you doing? Today, it's another Spam recipe. And guess what? Why do you eat Spam? Because it's not that expensive. It's loaded with protein. You get the low sodium, and it's not that bad. And I've made a lot of cool recipes. This is the next one. This is called the grilled cheese Spamwich. Instead of sandwich, you get it Spamwich. Okay, we're gonna start by heating this pan up and putting this baby together. Check it out. All right, we're gonna throw some butter down because we're gonna heat this Spam up. All right, we're gonna put the Spam in the middle because that's where Spam goes. Put that one right there. Okay, those will make it. Now we're gonna butter both sides of this bread. That one's ready. We're gonna put this one here. Butter this one. That one's done. Put this one here. Now we just wait for a little. You gotta get this Spam cooked. This is on medium. We're gonna put some cheese here. Make sure it's covered, some good coverage. This is Colby Jack, as I mentioned. I'm not Colby Jacking around. There you go. This will take a few minutes. We're gonna get this nice and melty, and we're gonna flip the Spam when it's ready. Take a few minutes on both sides. Then it'll cook, the rest will cook in the grilled cheese. It's a grilled cheese, you heard it, Spamwich. Now we're gonna put a little mayo on this side, and then some Spam mustard, and Spam loves mustard. You can see the cheese is already starting to melt a little. A little mayo there, oh baby. A little moussard there. All right, what do you do with this? Don't lick it. Let's place them in a very Spammy way in the grilled cheese. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Now we flip around it and do the flipperoo here. Here we go. Now let's crisp these babies up. That'll be about a minute on each side. And when that's ready and that's nice and grilled cheesy, meet you at the counter. All right, here's that sandwich. Let's give it like a cute little slice like this. There's a sliceroo. And there's the reveal. Oh, look at that. Look at that cheese pull. Don't mess that one up. All right, let's get a close-up of this baby. There it is. That's a killer. Grilled cheese Spamwich. Whoa, that was loud. Big bite coming up. All right, there's another close-up. Look at that Spam. Remember, there's mayo and mustard in this. Well, we'll see how it tastes. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Look at this cheese pull. That's what she said. Ah, that was a hell of a cheese pull. It's a grilled cheese. But the Spamwich part, man, is that good. Almost tastes like a grilled ham and cheese, but it's grilled Spam and cheese. The deal is, the mayo makes it creamy. The mustard makes it tangy. Oh. The cheese makes it cheesy. I've never seen so much cheese. Perfect cheese for this. Can you tell I like it? That's the sweet marble. Try this one. I'm gonna eat the whole half here. Try this one, try all my recipes at Live Life 365. All my socials. You can see me almost anywhere, just watch. Until next time. Oh. Peace.
Live life 365.
Don't make that noise. All right, this will take a few seconds, a few minutes, because mayo is good. Those are done. Oh, I forgot to say this because Spam loves the mustards. All right, keep cooking it. Keep cooking it. Oh yeah. Do a little shell game here because that one cooks faster. This is a little slower. You go over here. Come on, don't back tuck. No back tucking. I will not accept it. Okay. It wasn't perfect, but it's still gonna work. What are you talking about? Spam everywhere. We're gonna put the plate down. Oh. What the heck? Oh man. You hear that crunch in that toast? Perfectly cooked, I might add. Should I do it? Oh! That's good. Man. I mean, a pig. Oh, I'm exhausted from it. That's the most I've eaten in 3 days. Like a deal, Ozempic making you lose weight. You have no appetite, but I forced it to make a video for you. Bye-bye.